Hello, I am Dr. Priya Jain, Managing Director of Uvas Ayurveda, JP Nagar, Bangalore. As we all know, Ayurveda is not only about a curative medicine but also a preventive medicine. So, in preventive medicine, we have natural things what we should be doing. The daily regime according to Ayurveda is called as Dinacharya. So Dinacharya is really useful in preventing the cough and cold, especially in the Hemant and the Shishir Rutu. Now in Dinacharya, the first thing what you can do is you can take some Til Telam sesame oil, do Mukhalepanam, massage properly for 5 minutes, give steam, and after steam, Til Telam or Anu Telam, put one drop in each nostril will help you in preventing from cough and cold. So this is called as Nasyam. The second is take some hot water, boil it with neem leaves and do gargling with honey and this together. So this natural gargling gandush also helps in preventing cough and cold. So these are the 2 or 3 normal remedies what I have told you. Now about what you can have. Early morning, empty stomach, 1 or 2 tulsi leaves with gur, that is jaggery if non-diabetic, and if you are diabetic you can have it with honey as well every morning. Then turmeric is also considered to be very good for cough and cold. Turmeric in the night times you can have haldi wala doodh, that is turmeric mixed with hot milk, and then even turmeric tea. Just add turmeric to a pinch of turmeric to hot water. So turmeric tea is also equally good. Even Adrak Khanda, ginger is said to be very good in cough and cold. So Adrak Khanda can be made like lozenges and chewed. That is really good. And then Tulsi, you can even boil some Tulsi, put honey and have Tulsi water. And the Dadi Ma ka jo ek kada hota hai, that is about cinnamon, cardamom, Tulsi, black pepper, boil properly and have it. So these are some of the few natural remedies which will help you in keeping away from cough and cold.